Hi, my name is Irina and you are on my crocheting channel. If you are looking for how to crochet the edge of a shawls, blankets, dresses, tops, so that your project looks beautiful and finished, you are in the right place. There are so many options for crochet borders designs, from the simplest to the incredibly hard. I offer you a very simple but so cute and aesthetic crochet border pattern that is done in one round. You will also learn how to add a border to your crochet project and also how to make a turns for the crochet corners. I use this crochet border pattern for crochet edge for my top. For those who want to know how to crochet top you can see in this video, I will leave a link in the end of this video. So let's begin to crochet our border. And before we continue, be sure that you already subscribed to my channel because my small new channel really needs your support. Leave the comments and like my video if you like it. This is my main motivation for continue making new crocheting tutorials for you. For start we need to make 3 double crochet cluster. Make 3 not finished regular double crochet. Instead of first double crochet we need to make 2 chain. Now we make double crochet but not finish it. Wrap around stick, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and stop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Now we repeat one more time, not finished double crochet. Wrap around stick, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and we stop again. Now you got 3 loops on your hook. Pull through 3. Now we make a picket. For that we make 3 chain and loop the picket. We make 2 chain for jump to another double crochet cluster. For next 3 double crochet cluster we make into the point we finished first crochet cluster, unfinished double crochet, and we make 2 more unfinished double crochet. Now you got 4 loops on your hook. Pull through 3 and pull through 2. Here we make again a picket. For that 3 chain, loop the picket, and then we make 2 chain for jump to the next 3 double crochet cluster. For make turn into the corner, we need to make puff stitch. For that, we make 3 unfinished double crochet into the same point, and then we continue as usually with 3 double crochet cluster stitch.